Hey guys, so I went to Stan's Donuts, so I'm gonna try a few of these donuts for you guys. And here is the first box of donuts. I'm gonna have to do this in parts, but this is part one, and this is the gingerbread donut. It's gluten-free too. Wow. Wow. Just admire that for a second. It is the perfect texture and flavor. Like, it is so soft, and the outside is a little bit crispy and a little bit crunchy. Wow, and it's not overly cinnamony. This is the best gingerbread donut I've ever had. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.